Hello, amazing people out there. I hope you all are good. So, you know Sachin Tendulkar and Virat Kohli for what? For just one thing, that is cricket. And you know Cristiano Ronaldo and Lionel Messi for what? For just one thing, that is football. And obviously, you know Narendra Modi for what? For just one thing, that is politics. And I can give you thousands and millions of examples like that. There is so many successful people out there who are famous for their just one thing, and that one thing give them so much success in their life. So observing these points, uh, uh, a co-founder of very famous real estate company, Gary Killer, with his partner Jay Papsana, write this very beautiful book called The One Thing. So they observe that there is so many people and the company in world who are famous for their just one thing, like Bill Gates. His one thing is computer, and that one thing turned Bill Gates the richest man of the world for straight 15 years. These successful people, they know that in this busy and short life, that is impossible to master so many things, so many skills. But they know if they master one thing, or experts in one thing, that one thing will give them tremendous success in their life. And you know Mark Zuckerberg, his one thing of interest is also softwares and computers and programming, and that programming give give Mark Zuckerberg a huge success. Did you know what is your one thing? If you don't know, let's go and know. The first thing is to understand domino effect. And did you know one 2 inch of domino can bring down a domino which is 50% greater than that domino. And if we arranging this domino in a geometrical progression, and the 23rd domino which will going to be fall, that's height will be equal to height of Eiffel Tower. And the 57th domino which will going to fall, that's the height will equals to the distance between moon and earth. So let's understand this domino effect in an example. For example, my someday goal is to read 200 books. So if I start reading this 200 book, I can't read this 200 book in a day. So I have to break it down in small portions. So like if my goal is to read 200 books someday, so I have to break it down in small portions, like my yearly goals, and my monthly goal and weekly goal, my daily goals and right now goals. So according to that, my right now goal start reading a book, basically a paragraph. So if I start acting in my right now goal, if I start reading that one paragraph of my book, then that will be help me someday to read those 200 books. So the conclusion from this dominoes effect is analyze your goals and set your goal according to that. Cut it down to small portions. And because success is a sequential, so if you want to be a billionaire, then first start to be a multimillionaire. And if you want to be a multimillionaire, then first you start to be a millionaire. And the second thing is multitasking is a lie. No human can do multitasking. Basically, multitasking is a computer thing. It is not for human. And even computer can't do multitasking. it actually switches one work from another work in just fraction seconds. So we seen and thought that computer is doing multitasking. So human can do multitasking, like he can talk in a phone while he's walking. So if he's crossing a road, he has to stop talking in phone and carefully cross the road if he's really love his life. So so basically multitasking is neither efficient nor effective. So instead of focusing on multitasking, we have to focus on one thing, so that thing will complete it in efficiently and in a very short span of time. Guys, here one thing to understand here, that our mind is not like that. Our mind is not built like that it could do multitask at a time. Guys, Sachin Tendulkar, when he started his sporting career, he's good at tennis, and he's good at cricket also, as well. So at some time he chooses cricket over tennis, because he has to focus on one thing to master that skill. If he do that two work in simultaneously, maybe he's ended up with an average career. Maybe he's not do that much big. So and Yuzvendra Chahal, he's also good at chess too, but at some time he has to choose cricket over chess, because of one thing, that he has to focus on that one skill. So it is very important to know your one thing and focus on one thing at a time, because our mind is not capable to do one thing, several things at a time simultaneously. And the third thing is, our willpower is limited. Our willpower is like a mobile battery. It will be drained till evening. So author says, like our all our important work, like our one thing, we must we must complete in morning. And there is so many people who are we only keep us more motivated for 1 or 2 days. We can't we After that we back to our lazy life. Because a mobile battery is not going to be fully charged till 2 or 3 days. It has to be charged. Like that, our willpower, our motivation is need to be charged, so that we have to read these good books, these self-help books. We have to watch, like motivational videos regularly. And author says, whenever we have willpower, we have to use it. We have to utilize it. Otherwise, it will be going to waste. So when author says that whenever we have this willpower, we have to start acting on these our one things, so that it will be utilized in a good way. Now you'll be like, we have so much things to do. What things we must focus on first? For that, we have our fourth point, that is, convert your to-do list to your one thing. Guys, so many people are that they prepare their to-do list, but here you have to apply something different. That is, you have to apply 80-20 principle on your to-do list. Guys, your 80% of your good results you get when you apply 20% of good effort on that work. So apply this. After applying this 80-20 principle on your to-do list, you will have your success list. And after applying this 80-20 principle again on your success list, you will have your one thing. No matter how big to-do list you're gonna start with, after applying this 80-20 principle, you gonna surely narrow it to your one thing. So James Kennedy once said that success demands singleness of purpose. So that is only possible when you ask one question to yourself. That is that is what is the one thing that I do today, so that everything else will be easy or unnecessary. By asking this question to yourself every day, you find find quality and effectiveness into your work and your life. So I find this book very effective, and I strongly recommend you to go through it once, so that it adds so much value into your life. So I hope you like it, and it adds some values into your life. So this is Sheikh Wasi signing off for today. Thank you.